everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log in to Bank of Scotland business banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box appearing at the top of the screen, type in bankofscotland.co.uk and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official web page of Bank of Scotland. From the main home page, go ahead and click on the business option at the top of the screen and then click on the login button at the top right. Select business internet banking option and go ahead and enter your username and password associated with your internet banking account. Type in your username first and then type in the correct password in the next field. If you'd like the system to remember your username, click on this little Remember My Username box. Leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. If you've forgotten your login details, click on Forgotten Your Login Details link and follow through the on-screen prompts in order to look for them. Finally, click the Continue button and you'll be able to log into your Bank of Scotland business internet banking account. Bank of Scotland Business Banking is a service provided by Bank of Scotland. It offers online banking services that you can use to manage business finances, including sterling and currency accounts. That is how you'll be able to access your business banking account for Bank of Scotland. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.